In order to remove the pipes from the evaporator inside, we have to remove this two locks first. Now for disconnecting these pipes, we will need, this tool. It's a plastic tool. It's a fuel line disconnect tool set. You can get it from online or from your local tool stores in your town. We have to place the connector from the back of the pipe. We'll open the connector and push it to the back of the pipe, and then we'll push it to the pipe from the back, and then we can remove the pipe from its place. Same thing we can do for the other pipe on the other side. And pipe is out.